I am Dushyant Joshi. I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering from BIT Bangalore. And about Pyspider, I got to know from my sister, and she told you just give a try and it will be very helpful for you. And after coming to Pyspider and meeting Niranjan sir, it was a best thing for me. Just because of Niranjan sir, I started believing in hard work and everything. Everything he told me, I was doing that. Just he told about the mocks and all, I was giving mocks, and even the in between class discussion with the friends, it was truly helpful for me. And I will like to thank Niranjan sir, Rahul sir for the Django framework. Because of Rahul sir only, I am capable enough to showcase my skills of framework. And thank you so much, Niranjan sir.